Give a big clap to Pretty Sarah, everyone. Woo! Pretty Sarah. Pretty Sarah is the best girl.
Hello, beautiful family. By now, you should know that I'm running this channel with my pretty Alicia. On the menu today is COCOYAM FUFU with beef and fish lice soup. I was cooking for my Angolan friend and it was my first time doing so. So I put my veggies on fire, garden eggs, peppers, tomatoes, onion, and 1/4 of a courgette. I went ahead to season my beef. On the fish and quantity, I know when your beef will be their boss here. Okay? Mame. So my friend eats fish. She told me she doesn't eat beef. She's not allergic to it, okay? Until maybe they boss here. Now maybe I enjoy. So I enjoyed the beef, alright? Seasoned my beef with blended onions and ginger as well as tomato paste.
Well done to Pretty Sarah.
So once again, you heard my princess's voice, right? You need to get used to her. So what you say? So rinse your blender, add it as well. Cover and allow this to cook. I seasoned it with only a tablespoonful of salt because it was my first time cooking for this friend. I no fear. I checked on my veggies and they were cooked at that point. So I took them off the fire, allowed them to cool down just to help my blender, okay? Then that water you see around it wasn't definitely going to go waste. So I poured the water onto my beef, added my washed catfish. I drink in a broth, no. Me boy, comment down below, okay? Then I went ahead to add Aidan fruit, prekese. I also added some fresh okra, blended my cooked vegetables and added them as well. So dilute your soup. Remember, it's light soup, so it shouldn't be too thick. So this is my fresh fish, nicely washed, all the guts and fins taken away. Just so you can season this, all right? I didn't, and I'll tell you why. Because I realized I had added enough pepper to the soup. If I was going to season it, then my friend wasn't going to enjoy it. Because I don't know how Angolans, and I'm from Angolans, boy, I don't know how much pepper they eat, okay? Because I know Kenyans don't eat lots of pepper. So I allowed this to simmer beautifully. Ebusia, this soup, Pretty Alicia was supposed to eat pasta with her friend, the lady's daughter, right? My friend's daughter. But this girl, she ended up eating fufu with me.
And for Mommy Sarah.
So I went ahead to make my COCOYAM FUFU when she texted to tell me she was on her way to my flat.
Go on our channel, I will show you how to make it.
Beautiful family, I'm a very generous person. What I say, very generous. So please come to my house anytime you are free and I'll make this for you, me pacho. I don't want any grudges. So now it tasted really good. She even testified. She's camera shy, so I couldn't film it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like the video and share. Bye.